Hello everyone, I'm Karan Kumar Neve, an electronic and computer engineer. In today's video, we walk through a step-by-step process of installing the latest version of KiCad, a powerful open source PCB design software. So let's dive right in. Open up our web browser, type in KiCad in the search bar and hit enter. You will see a bunch of results, but we are looking the official KiCad website. So go ahead and click on the first link. Here we are on the KiCad homepage. You can take some time later to explore and read the documentation, but for now let's focus on getting KiCad onto our computer. Find that download button and give it a click. Since we are installing this for Windows, select Windows version. You will see several options for downloading KiCad, but I personally prefer using a GitHub, so let's click on the GitHub link. And just like that, the download begins. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file we just downloaded and double click to run it. A setup wizard will pop up. Click on Next to proceed. Keep clicking Next, making sure all necessary boxes are checked along the way to ensure a full installation. Choose your file destination where KiCad will be installed, or just go with the default location. Hit install and watch as KiCad gets set up on your machine. After the installation bar fills up, click Finish. Congrats, you successfully installed a KiCad. And that's it. You are all set to dive into a KiCad and start bringing your PCB designs to life. Thanks for watching and remember to like, share, subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. Catch you in the next one.